RFP responses for banks. SaaS security model answers, step by step. Your RFP response has one job. Make a regulated buyer feel safe choosing you. Show you're a strong security, compliance, and business fit. Answer every requirement clearly, so reviewers don't have to guess. Emphasize how you reduce risk for data, operations, and audits, so the buyer can defend the decision to regulators. Finally, stand out with evidence and clarity, specific controls, recent reports, and measurable outcomes. Think like a risk officer. Remove uncertainty, prove control maturity, and make it easy to say yes with confidence. Start by decoding their world. Identify the regulators and frameworks they must satisfy, like FFIEC, PCI, or SOC2, and align your claims to those expectations. Map your product to their data types, PII, cardholder, health, and the risks that matter most to them. Clarify scope, which modules, environments, prod, staging, and data flows are included. Mirror their terminology and numbering in your answers, so evaluators can cross-check quickly. When you speak their language, your response feels native, credible, and auditable. Use a repeatable mini-template. First, restate the requirement in one line to confirm understanding. Second, give a direct compliance claim, yes, no, partial, plus a concise reason or scope note. Third, provide evidence, named controls, report titles, metrics, and dates. For example, SOC2 Type 2, period October 2024 to September 2025. Finally, state the outcome, how this reduces risk, improves operations, or simplifies audits. This structure keeps reviewers oriented, shows transparency, and turns every answer into a defendable decision record. Spotlight controls buyers expect. For identity, note SSO, MFA, RBAC, VAC, and least privilege with how access is reviewed. For data, specify encryption in transit/at rest, key management ownership, and rotation. For apps/infra, outline your SDLC, vulnerability management, and patch SLAs with timelines. For operations, describe logging, SIEM coverage, alerting thresholds, and incident response playbooks and testing. Tie each control to real risks, misuse, exfiltration, downtime, so it's clear why it matters. Provide verifiable current artifacts. Share your SOC2 Type 2 period, scope, systems, trust criteria, and any exceptions. Include ISO 27001 certificate details and statement of applicability. Mention PCI scope if you touch card data. Summarize penetration tests with dates, critical findings, and remediation evidence. Attach your DPA, subprocessor list, and data residency options to address privacy and localization. Reviewers trust documents they can trace, with dates, boundaries, and clear ownership. Show how you stay up when things go wrong. Detail business continuity processes and tested DR targets, RTO, RPO by system tier. Explain backups, frequency, encryption, immutability, and your restore drills with success rates and timing. Cover vendor risk management, third-party assessments, control inheritance, and SLAs for uptime and support. Describe change management gates, approvals, and segregation of duties to prevent errors and fraud. These points reassure auditors that risk is identified, controlled, and tested. Lead with, "Yes, and here's proof." Then immediately cite artifacts or metrics. Use quantitative metrics, uptime, MTTR, patch cadence, detection/response times to show operational reality. Add brief customer outcomes or audit results like 0 high findings in last SOC 2 inches to build confidence fast. Keep language tight. Avoid jargon and mirror the bank's terms so evaluators can map your claims to their controls. Precision plus proof beats long prose every time. Close strong. Build a traceability matrix to confirm every question is answered and sourced. Run a red team review for gaps, contradictions, and tone consistency. Label attachments clearly and cite page/section IDs inside answers so auditors can verify quickly. End with an executive summary that quantifies risks reduced, operational benefits, and compliance value, what the buyer can tell their regulator and board. Package cleanly, confirm contacts and SLAs, and make the approval path effortless.